Hello everyone, this is Gachpal SG. I'm an Indian singer, songwriter, producer. So इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं about the production breakdown of It Was You, that what sound I used, what VSTs I used, and how I did the production mixing and all. So let's get straight into my FL Studio.
Everything I know now. Wasn't it was you who tried to skip us? Wasn't it was you who made it all worse? All that I knew, going it through, how you gonna prove me wrong?
So this is how the project for It Was You looks like. So layer by layer हम देखेंगे what the element are used, what the instrument are used, and how we produce it, right? So let's start it. So firstly, how I started this. So every time मैं usually start करता हूँ गिटार से. So गिटार पे I recorded this one. So these are the broken chord I played. Layering करते वक्त I added a piano parallel to this one. So piano is here on the top. I started this song with this guitar layer. Here it is. So मुझे इलेक्ट्रिक गिटार काफ़ी पसंद है. So हर गाना मैंने वैसे ही स्टार्ट किया ही है. So you can see यहाँ पे we have the broken chords और टोन की बात करें तो आई डायरेक्टली रिकॉर्डेड इट फ्रॉम गिटार रिग. सो उसके क्लीन या एम्बियंट पैच आप सर्च करोगे तो यू विल फाइंड सच टोन देयर. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट्स इन द प्रोसेसिंग चेन ऑफ दिस गिटार. सो बेसिकली अ फिल्टर एज ऑफ नाउ, हाई पास फिल्टर. सो ये था बेसिक बैकबोन फॉर द सॉन्ग एंड नाउ आई रिकॉर्डेड दिस वन, द पियानो कॉर्ड्स. Dun, 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 dun. So whole melody was like this. So ये piano कहाँ से आया? So piano is from Analog Lab 4. So Arturia का ये sound bank है जिसमें I found this underwater plug. I love this patch and काफ़ी गानों में use किया है. But I just manipulated the LFO rates and LFO amount I guess and some cut off these high pass and I just made this sound which is a dark piano, a bit dark. So guitar और piano parallel layer पे they sound like this. Now proceeding with this song, मैंने animation video पहले बना लिया था and I made a guy driving the car. So वहाँ पे ambient feel देने के लिए I just added a car sound which you have heard in the video I guess. Yeah. Starting में. So this is basically a POV ASMR video. I just extracted the wave file from the YouTube and here it is. So उसको merge करने के लिए I did a little automation with the volume and panning. So basically center channel से it's just going to the left or right channel. So this was the starting. और पियानो और गिटार के साउंड इज जस्ट साउंडिंग लाइक दिस. वेयर इज द गिटार? सॉरी बीच में क्लिक्स होंगे क्योंकि सीपीयू इशू है. या सो टू ब्लेंड द गिटार विद द पियानो एंड car more softly, I just automated this guitar also. So you can see here right now it's just like this. But what the automation I did the automation with decay and also with the high frequency pass. So it's just going from high pass to low pass. Let me show you. So ये guitar का channel and you will see initially ऐसा है, then it's just so जो cut हो गए थे high frequency we are just getting back. So we are bringing back the high frequencies and at the same time we have automated the decay of the reverb जो कि पहले ज़्यादा swell था, then we just minimized it. तो यहाँ पे if you see the decay, so you can see this curve, right? It's just following that only. So it's like पहले bigger room में sound था, then it's just getting close to you and yeah, like this. Like this is just merging up with the other sounds. So this is how I made the starting of the song. So it's just basic ambient build up. So यहाँ पे I added this sound. This is again a car sound and I just added it from a sample. So I downloaded some car slam sample. So you can see here I have various samples. So काफी अलग अलग cars के slam doors के sample है, like Mini Cooper door one. So this is how the Mini Cooper sound, and the Toyota Corolla door sounds, and like this. Wait. And so this I dragged in the project and just cut down this portion this much, and it sounded like this, and I panned it on the left, and yeah, it's on that side, and I just added some reverb, so it's just getting bigger. So starting में it was like this. Okay, so अब आ जाते हैं प्री कोरस पे. So again I added a piano in the pre-chorus, जो कि I guess it's also a customized preset. So it's basically a home organ, and so इसके parameters alter करके I made this sound. बट ये काफ़ी मर्ज हो रहा था ओरिजिनल साउंड के साथ, सो दैट्स वाई आई गेटेड इट विद ग्रोस बीट. सो वी आर जस्ट मेकिंग एन एनवेलप एंड स्वेलिंग इट अप. सो नाउ इट्स लाइक दिस. सो एवरी 4 बीट थोड़ा सा पहले इट्स जस्ट गेटिंग स्वेल अप. सो दिस वॉज बिफोर and this is after. Yeah, so before processing the piano was like this, or what I made after processing is like this. So ये था प्री कोरस पे पियानो का पार्ट. Then what we have in the drum section, then chorus section पे I added this drums, जो कि एक basic सा. So drum pattern काफ़ी simple है इसका, and basically the pop beat. तो गाना बनाते हुए जो टिंग 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 जो कि गिटार का रिदम था, उसके साथ I just did a little beatbox उस random time पे, और ये सामने आया. Pretty simple section. So it's just a kick, some claps, and I use the lo-fi snare. तो snare same है जो कि आगे मैंने यूज किया था with reverb, right? This is same. इसके बाद I thought कि यहाँ पे कुछ plug element होना चाहिए, just going like with the rhythm tuck 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 tuck. So I recorded a small piece with my guitar from the Guitar Rig 6. तो काफ़ी customization direct Guitar Rig पे किया था, and just did a simple EQ with this. So without it, it was sounding like this. And after removing the harsh frequencies, it's just like this. Okay, so with pianos and all. So I also added a little string section in this. So this is from the Harmor plugin, and this I made it from this sample. And also I gated this one, so you can see this one. Also I added the gross beat. So before it was like straight. Now after I added the gross beat, it's like that. सो वहाँ पे क्लैश नहीं होगा फ्रीक्वेंसीज का। इसके बाद वी एडेड दिस एम्बियंट साउंड जो कि एक फुलनेस दे रहा था पूरे ट्रैक को। तो पूरे फ्रीक्वेंसी स्पेक्ट्रम में आई गेस ये पैड अच्छी तरह से सारी फ्रीक्वेंसीज कवर कर रहा था और इट गिव अ फुलनेस टू द सॉन्ग, सो आई जस्ट एडेड इट। और यू कैन सी जस्ट अ लिटिल लो कट आई हैव गिवन हियर, सो टुगेदर इट वाज जस्ट साउंडिंग लाइक दिस।
Try to skip it, wasn't it was
Oh god. Okay, the CPU problem. So after the chorus hits, उसके बाद एक आता है गिटार सोलो का सेक्शन. So I just added this guitar solo. So at the same time you can see यहाँ पे frequencies का जो automation है वो भी चल रहा है. So in this solo, so I just added a little saturation to this and with some EQ. So basically I did a band pass with this one. So ये था in between जो मैंने गिटार डाला, और at the same time जब second chorus hit करता है वहाँ पे भी एक गिटार का लेयर आता है जो कि इस oh god, ये CPU देखा जाए तो ओवरऑल यही साउंड्स थे जो कि मैंने यूज़ किए हैं. नाउ इन बिटवीन काफ़ी सारे जो फिलर एलिमेंट्स थे वो थे ये. तो ये कुछ गिटार के पीसेस जो कि एज अ ईयर कैंडी बीच बीच में आ रहे हैं, एंड और एक ये स्वेल जो कि मैंने वोकल के रिवर्ब को रिवर्स करके बनाया था. सो वोकल सेक्शन पे आए तो वोकल सेक्शन इज सिंपल. जस्ट आई एडेड द रिवर्ब स्वेल इन बिटवीन लाइक दिस वन.
driving through the streets.
So driving through the street. So in the street we have to swell it up. So I just did it like this. So like this, in this reverb we have a big reverb of Valhalla, and it's just concert hall setting. Decay is around, you can see 6.13 this second setting. So I got a pretty huge reverb here. And I use this Pancake. So basically इस पे क्या हो रहा है कि it's just automating the left and right panning. So it's just feeling like it's just going from right to left and left to right at the same time. You don't have to do the automation, it's just doing the things. So यहाँ पे I have used this auto tune. So actually this is in D sharp, it's just showing C. Every time you switch on the project, it just switch to the default one. So it's D sharp. So yeah, so this was the ear candy thing we just did.
Sinking, 'cause flashbacks starting dragging me there.
So like this there. So next we'll see how I produce the vocal section. So उससे पहले पानी पी लेते हैं. Stay hydrated guys. Okay. So let's see what we have in the vocal chain. तो usually मैं इसे बंद करके रखता हूँ क्योंकि CPU फट जाता है बिल्कुल. So usually I kept this off because CPU काफ़ी process लेता है. So let's see what's in my vocal chain. So vocal chain we have main vocal, reverb, and the second reverb which we just use for the swell up thing, and other parallel vocals. So I'll be just showing you what I use in the main vocals chain, right? So here, so first usually मेरा approach होता है कि I used to cut those frequencies which are harsh, right? So around this, these are like the harsh spot. You can just cut down like 220 to 200 hertz, 1k hertz, and I just cut down a little bit, like minus 2.5 dB and some minus 7 dB, minus 6 dB. The frequencies which are hard. सबको नहीं, वरना obvious है वो natural sound नहीं करेगा. Then I just put a DSR. So गाते वक्त ये पॉप फिल्टर का यही काम होता है कि पीज एंड बीज टीज जो भी होते हैं ये सब हटाने के, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली रिकॉर्डिंग के साथ वो रिकॉर्ड हो जाते हैं. तो वी जस्ट रिड्यूस इट by using some sort of de-essing. मैंने काफ़ी de-esser try किया है and I guess this works best for me, so I'm using this TDR Nova. So upward compression के लिए I use the Ozone 9. So Ozone 9 में you can find this vintage compression and gain हल्का सा मैंने boost किया है and attack and release ratio इस हिसाब से set किया कि you are not getting the harsh vocals and every time you are getting a leveled output from your vocals. So in the same way, downward compression के लिए I have used this one. So after this I have used this Ozone 3. So vocal पे usually I used to put this on and यहाँ पे भी again we have a compression with threshold set like this. Equalization थोड़े से low ends काटते हुए क्योंकि वो rumble हो रहे थे and the exciter. So basically you can target a band and according to your need and taste you can just set it out. So you can see the tape, retro, warm, tube things are here. So the tones are here. So I just selected it as tube and adjusted the mix now. And on the next one, after this I added the Slayers Digital VMR, this virtual mix trap. So यहाँ पे I just added a little bit of the shimmer to it. So ये हल्का सा high end spark देता है to the vocals and to put some airiness kind of in your vocal you can just try it out this air one. So I just tweaked a little bit of this one around 1.35 dB and it just sound good to me. So कहीं कहीं थोड़ा सा deviate हो जाता है गाते वक्त. So I use this auto tune on this D sharp key. So we just use the song Goodizer as a salt element and also I just did a final EQ. So just ducking down the high frequency. So I was not getting those extra high frequency. So now every time there's a way to put reverb on your vocal. So how I do this? So I just put a send track channel as a reverb channel and I just put a reverb which I like. Usually on the vocals I put the plate reverb because they are just ducking a little bit of those frequencies and you are just getting rid of those rumbleness. So you can see a little bit of reverb is there. So also at the same time just making it side chained with this track spacer 2.5. So every time you are making your song much cleaner by using this side chain things. So on vocals, if you are side chaining your reverb, this is really helpful. I would just recommend this one from the Wave Factory Track Spacer. And I just did a little EQ. So from the reverb also, I just want only those band frequencies, right? Not the whole frequencies. So you can see we are only just occupying these frequencies from the reverb. So for the whole time the FX was off. Let's put this on and you can see. So issue होता ही है मतलब issue होता ही है CPU का. So that's why I don't did it. So basically this was all the process I did to my vocals and you can see the final output in my original, right? Because the project is getting too heavy and with the OBS I can't run it parallelly with those effects. So at the end we also added the solo. So in this also I just cut down the hard frequencies, tone shaper from VMR. So you can see there's a revival, saturation. So always I prefer to saturate things. If you are distorting things up or you adding an instrument, you can saturate it and with some sound goodizer and with some EQ on the top. This is how the guitar sounds. You can see I have used a lot automations here, right? So ये काफ़ी सारे parameters alter हो रहे हैं song के बीच में. So it's according to your taste. Like reverb, I have automated reverb throughout the vocals and I have automated the frequency bands for some instrument and other element. At the end, the car sound gets back here. So yeah, so this is all how I did this song. Actually मुझे idea नहीं था कि how to make this kind of video, so I just randomly made this Yeah, so this was all pretty much how I made my song It Was You. So if you guys haven't heard it yet, go check it out, my original single It Was You on Spotify, and it's available on all streaming platforms. Give it a like, do follow me on Instagram and Spotify, and let me know guys how it was, how the song sounds, and pretty much this was all how I made, right? So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.
Just want to kick you out my head. Running into my safe zone where nobody can hurt me no more. See how I build this all so fast. Now you are reversing my time like you want me to feel it some more. This thing is not the same now. Like it was your blame, you said you meant I messed it all alone. But everything I know now, wasn't it was you who tried to skip us? Wasn't it was you who made it all worse?